Introducing the Medi-Boost TENS and EMS machine, developed by medical engineers and chartered physiotherapists. The Medi-Boost stands out with its moldable medical-grade silicone built for comfort and support. The silicone pads help evenly distribute pressure across the feet and ease discomfort. To use your Medi-Boost, start by cleaning and dampening the soles of your feet. Wipe the foot plate with a damp cloth to ensure a good connection. Press the on-off button on your Medi-Boost. You'll see a blue light flashing continuously. Take the remote from the center of the machine, point it at the center of the Medi-Boost and hold its own off button to pair. You'll hear a beep and see a solid blue light confirming it's paired. Place both feet on the foot electrodes or use our adhesive electrodes to treat areas beyond your feet, like your lower back, upper back and more. With 18 TENS and EMS programs, you can target exactly where you need relief. Choose from 9 programs for both your feet and legs or 9 for your body. Using the remote, the left side allows you to control the intensity for your feet and lower legs. On the right side, you'll find the controls for the electrodes, letting you target other areas with your Medi-Boost. Adjust the stimulation so you feel it in your feet, calves and lower legs, setting it to a strong but comfortable level for the most effective results. When you're finished, simply hold the on-off button on the remote to turn off both devices and place the remote back in its compartment on the Medi-Boost. For further information, we've included an easy-to-read, extra-large user manual to make your experience even smoother. Don't let pain and discomfort control your life. Take the first step towards relief. Order your Medi-Boost today.